Thailand entry rules. Update starting the 1st of April 2022. Alternative Quarantine Scheme. This scheme applies for travelers who plan to visit Thailand and who are not vaccinated. The 10 days quarantine is reduced to 5 days. Additionally, you no longer need to make a PCR test before your flight to Thailand. If you are vaccinated, then the easiest option for you to enter Thailand remains Test and Go scheme. Find the link to a Test and Go step-by-step guide under this video. You may arrive to Thailand by any of the following airports with a direct international flight. Or you can fly to Phuket or Samui via Bangkok with approved sealed flights only. Check with your airlines for details about the sealed routes. You may also travel by land. Step-by-step guide. Alternative quarantine. Step 1. Alternative quarantine hotel package reservation for 5 days. Find the official list of the quarantine hotels in the description. Choose the destination and then the hotel. Choose a package and contact the hotel directly to get all the details about the payment options. The quarantine package usually includes a private car transfer from the airport, 3 meals a day, free Wi-Fi, a nurse on call 24/7, and you will have your temperature taken and health checked 2 times a day. The package also includes 2 COVID-19 tests that usually take place on the date of arrival and the 5th day of your stay. Step 2. Apply for a medical insurance. The mandatory COVID-19 insurance plan for foreigners should cover the traveler for a minimum of $20,000 for a full period of your staying in Thailand. You can get insurance policy approved by Thai government in less than 3 minutes and get insured by Allianz, Tune Protect or AXA. Approved by Thai government, will guarantee you no questions asked when applying for a Thai pass. Find the link to your medical insurance in Thailand in the description below. Step 3. Apply for the Thai Pass. The Thailand Pass system is a free-of-charge web-based system. After you input personal details and uploaded the required documents, you receive a confirmation email within seconds after registration. Wait for the Thailand Pass approval within an hour or up to 7 days. You may apply for the Thailand Pass directly on the MFA website. Find the link in the description under this video. Step 4. Please like the video if you found this information useful. Join us in Telegram to ask questions about your travel. Subscribe to be updated on Thailand latest news. Thank you for watching.